Diploma in Urdu DUL is one of the most popular IGNOU language programs designed for students who want to enhance their knowledge of Urdu literature, grammar, and communication skills. This course helps learners build a strong foundation in Urdu language and culture. It opens the door to careers in translation, teaching, creative writing, journalism, and media. Students who are pursuing this diploma must complete the OULP-01 project, which focuses on applying Urdu language skills in real life and academic context. Preparing a good synopsis and project report is essential for timely approval and successful completion. Strong foundation: Urdu language, culture, careers, translation, teaching, creative writing. OULP-01 project: applying Urdu language skills, real-life, academic contexts. Good synopsis, project report, timely approval, successful completion. Many students face difficulties in writing their IGNOU project or synopsis due to lack of proper guidance, understanding of project format, and topic selection. If you are struggling with your OULP-01 project, Self-GAN is here to help. We provide expert guidance for synopsis preparation, writing support, and complete project help for IGNOU Diploma in Urdu course. Our team ensures best project approval rate and on-time submission with affordable pricing. Students can contact 9699784305 or visit selfganignu.com for personalized assistance and support. Remember, the time for submitting IGNOU synopsis and projects is limited for December TE. The synopsis submission period is from August to October and project submission from October to November. For June TE, the synopsis submission period is from February to April and project submission from April to May. So do not delay. Submit your synopsis now and get professional help from Self-GAN to achieve success easily. Make your IGNOU OULP-01 project the best with proper guidance and see your name among the successful students. Self-GAN ensures timely approval, expert guidance, and best project success rate.